Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my catch-all in my classic size happy planner. This one is called Deep Botanicals and it is for the week of 12th through 18th. So I decided to use the Castatic Plants, which is Ocean Views. It's so gorgeous. And I'm going to be using one of her collections, that first one with lots of blues and pinks. I thought that will be fun for this week of June, and I can't wait to share this with you. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and add this lovely arrangement of all the water scenery underneath, and then this one on this side, and I think they look good. Right on the edges, they look fun and different. And now I'm gonna be adding more of her collections. So she has ready to go collections of stickers, where she layers them for you. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put this big one on Tuesday and Wednesday. And look how gorgeous with the light blue, dark blue, and the neutral brown color, which is kind of like a khaki nude. So I think that's so beautiful. And then I'm going to put one on the other side right on Thursday. And take a look, like with those two stickers, most of my pages already filled out. She did great combining these colors and kind of making clusters, which I really love. So I thought that was good. I'm going to add some flowers to Monday right underneath. I think that's going to be good as well. And I wanted to say thank you if this is your first time joining me. And if you are coming back, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. I decided to do a little bit of my own little layering collection. So I'm going to go ahead and start with removing lines because why not, right? So we're going to place this on Sunday. I think that's very appropriate. It's a underneath layer that I use for my background, and I thought that was pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna grab boxes. She also included boxes in here, and I'm gonna start layering. Just so you know, half of the sticker book is paper, some of it is clear. So unless it's boxes or something where you have to write on or expected to write on, they're clear, and then paper, clear and paper, and then like boxes and these lovely collections are not. So I'm just adding few things. I wanted to layer my boxes first to kind of make them look fun, which I did, and now I'm gonna add like blue feathers and other things to this to make it look more fun. I'm not done yet, so I'm going to add a little bit more, and then we need to do some checklists, of course, because in my catch-all, how can I live without checklists, right? It's my very much busy to do type of thing. So I love doing those. I really do enjoy making them fun and different, so bear with me. Let me know down below what you think about this one because it is different. I'm going to put a big checklist in the sidebar for this reason. There's so much going on this week. I probably wanted a little bit of a better handle on it, so that's where I'm coming from. Okay, I pulled the jacket off from Mojo Jojo, and she does have checklists that match this, which is fantastic, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and add these into my spread, and I'm not even doing them within the boxes. I'm just gonna do them as I see them fitting appropriately. So I'm gonna remove this feather and move it where it's not taking as much space. Maybe like that, where I'm gonna link all three boxes over, not sure. Okay, let's add more checklists because that's so necessary for me. And then maybe I can get a couple half ones to add to there. So I'm just looking for that color. And these, like I said, match so perfectly with the nude boxes that I have. So let's add one to Wednesday for sure. Perfect. Tuesday, I already have a big list, which is good. And then Sunday, let's see, maybe I can try to add it to Tuesday. There we go. Okay, I think that looks pretty good, to be honest. I'm not sure if I need to add more checklists, but I think it looks good. Maybe I can add small decor pieces and see how that will turn out. So I want to make sure that it looks fun and different and for sure put together. So I am playing with some random stickers and adding them in. So I'm gonna add that in here. Let's add a starfish. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. And then another one. Okay. I'm gonna remove this part of the sticker because I don't think it looked good. Let me move it up and see how that works. And I think it's a little bit better. I'm gonna add a few more boxes that I need. And then I'm gonna add some work boxes as well. So those tiny, tiny ones that I use for work. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of figure it out and add a couple more of these bigger ones to write the main point of the day. So that's the Cassette plans, like I said. I'm gonna pop this back in and see how it looks. And I think I'm just gonna leave it be and add more stickers if I need to once I plan in it. For now, I'm gonna just add my work schedule and that will be it. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys had fun. Bye.